Good morning guys. Today we will discuss the brief information about Power BI guys. Why we use Power BI, what is the importance of Power BI. Today we will discuss one by one guys. First of all, what is Power BI? Okay. Power BI means it is the business intelligence tool guys. What it is a business intelligence tool, and this Power BI introduced by Microsoft guys. Why Microsoft introduced this Power BI? To combine multiple data visualization features into one. It means the more data visualization features is there in raw data. So many data visualization is there, so that's why the all combined data visualization features into one platform in the using Power BI. So that's why we use Power BI guys. And Power BI is the strong business analytical tool guys. We can easily analyze by using pictures, by using that design, we can easily analyze the data guys. So that's why it is very important in software engineering role guys. After that, it handles the limited amount of data guys. What is the another important is it handles the limited amount of data, means this is only handles limited, not large amount of data, large raw data. It's not handle it limited amount is it can handle guys. And it is easy to learn guys compared to Tableau. It is we can easily learn Power BI. So that's why this is the important why we use. This is easy to learn compared to Tableau. Tableau is also easy to learn, but compared to Tableau it can be little bit easy. So, and Power BI is a better integration. Okay, it means interaction is there with another source. Okay, better integration. It can easily integrate with different data source guys, different data source like Azure, Power Flows, and after that Power Apps and 365 Excel. These are the different source guys. This Power BI easily interact with all different data source guys. So that's why Power BI is nowadays very important in market guys, and also so many job openings in Power BI guys. And also very important is fresher can also apply for this Power BI guys. This is the very important. And after that, the next important topic is major components of Power BI guys. What is the next? Major components guys. Some 6 components is there. We can see one by one guys. Major components of Power BI guys. First one is Power Query guys. After that Power Desktop, Power BI mobile app, and after that Power Pivot, Power Views guys. Okay, these are the major important components of Power BI. What is Power BI and what is desktop, mobile app, pivot, views? We can see one by one. First, what is Power Query? Power Query means we can extract the data guys, extract the data from different source. Okay, extract the data from different source like SQL Server, Excel, and also this is the mashup guys, data mashup. We can transfer the data from SQL Server, after that load, after that transform into Power BI desktop. Okay, or Power BI dashboard. We can easily extract the data from the Power Query. So that's why we use Power Query in Power BI. Okay, and also it is one of the transformation. It's hidden in one folder, and after that we can get from the Power Query. After that we can transfer into Power BI dashboard. Okay, so that's why it is a transformation guys. Okay, and after that Power BI desktop. Why we use Power BI desktop means this desktop is Power BI desktop means we can use this in laptop. For in mobile we can use mobile app. So in Android Power BI mobile app is there, so we can easily use mobile app, but in laptop we can use desktop only. So that's why it's important guys. And also we can create the advanced reports using the Power BI guys, the Power BI desktop. Okay, we can use advanced reports guys. Here I will write to create the advanced report guys. So that's why we use Power Desktop, and this is the aggregated tool of Power Query, Power View, and Pivot. This is the aggregate tool, guys. After that, the next important is pivot, guys. This is important for very important for interview. This is the data modeling engine, guys. What is pivot? Pivot is a data modeling engine, guys. It uses the one functional language, guys. It uses one functional language. I already underlined this word and also color this word. What is the function language means? What is the function used in data modeling engine means? That is called DAX, guys. This is very important for interview. DAX means data analytical expression. What is the importance in this pivot? What is the DAX importance in pivot means? To perform the calculation. Why we use? It's perform some calculation, guys. So that's why it's used. And also create the relationship, guys. DAX creates the relationship between various table, guys. So that's why it's important, guys. It's create the relationship between various table. So that's why we use DAX. And after that, Power View, guys. We can see the so many data visualization features is there. We can view in the eyes. Okay, that is the view. The simple answer is viewing the data visualization, guys. So that's why we use viewing. Okay, Power View. What are the things we create? We create the dashboard. We create the some coloring, we create some average, we create some so many we create in the Power BI, guys. That is the what we view, that is the Power View. Okay, after that we can in Hebo we saw one word, data visualization, features into one to combine multiple data visualization. What is data visualization? Why we call data visualization? Data visualization. What is data visualization, guys? Data visualization is nothing but it is very important and also we can use for representing data. Okay, representing data in the form of graph and diagrams. So that's why we called data visualization. See here, the graphical representation of the information. Some information is there, we can graphical representation means in the form of graph or diagrams or charts. In charts we can use bar graph, pie graph, so many graphs is there, so many diagrams is there, charts is there. We can represent the data in the form of charts, so that's why we call data visualization, guys. Visual representation to extract the actionable insights from the raw data means so many things is there. For example, company in the for company details, all details in the form of raw data. Okay, all who are coming, who are going, or who are coming for interview, or who are the employees in the company, when you come, when you go, these are all raw data, guys. So we can usually extract that data, extract to actionable, so that's why we call data visualization. Okay, you can understand. Okay, next class we can discuss about so many important topics. This is all today's class, guys. Please, every point is important, please write down properly. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.